Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So my holder for my paint gun, usually I have it where there's a mount that goes on my bench, and it's actually in our body shop right now, and the body shop is locked up, and I'm not gonna clear all the snow away from the door so I can get into the body shop, so I'm gonna just make one. I took 2 air fittings, and you wanna make sure these are steel so you can weld them on, or you can drill a hole, tap them, and use pipe thread style and screw those in here. But I just took a big chunk of metal that was in the metal pile, and this is like a big rig or a diesel truck. I think it was like off the axles or something, where this is where the U-bolts go over it. Really heavy. I mean, this thing weighs, a good 10 pounds or something. Solid chunk of steel. And what I'm gonna do is I will weld these at an angle like this on here. But before I do that, I want to blast this in the sandblaster, and that's what I'm working on right now. That'll be a lot better to weld to. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld these fittings. I took these air fittings. These are just hose quick disconnects. And I got one clicked on the spray gun right here. I'm gonna weld it on here. And you wanna make sure you put a magnet on these and make sure these are metal, because they do make these in brass that are chrome also, and you don't wanna try to weld that, it won't work. And I'm just gonna put a level on here on the top of this to make sure it's close. This works out good though. This base being nice and strong. You have a spot for your primer gun and your paint gun, or maybe your paint gun and your clear coat gun. And it's not tippy at all. I mean, this is nice and strong. And then you have this here which is just a quick disconnect. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but you kind of get the drift. Works good. The other trick that you can do is, I have this old speaker magnet. I believe this is what this was off of. And if you ran a bolt through here, or you know, a fitting or whatever, then you can take the same style fittings as this and screw it to there. And then the same thing, you have a way to connect your spray gun where you got a magnetic base. And this magnet is actually strong enough where I think you could put this on the wall or something on your workbench or toolbox or whatever. And then, you know, have your quick disconnect for your paint gun there. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Leave a comment down below and please subscribe to the channel. Later.